Do you remember this reel?
Let's learn a new word today. It's called abstruse.
I recently got a comment on it asking whether the word unfathomable could be used in place of abstruse. That's a brilliant question. These words may sound similar because they both refer to something difficult to understand. However, they're both used in different ways and they're definitely not interchangeable. Let me break it down for you. So, abstruse refers to something difficult to understand because it's very complex or technical. For example, you could say quantum physics is abstruse. Why? Because it's full of complex ideas. However, unfathomable refers to something so deep or so big or mysterious that it's almost impossible to understand or imagine it. For example, you could say the size of the universe is unfathomable. Why? Because it's beyond what our minds can measure. Now, let me share something very interesting with you, which would also make it easier for you to understand this word. So, the word unfathomable comes from the word fathom, which is a unit of measurement and it's used to measure the depth of water. So, if you say you can't fathom something, it means it's so deep that you cannot measure it. So, now, figuratively speaking, when you say something is unfathomable, it means it's so deep or so big or so mysterious that it's almost impossible to understand it or to even imagine it. So, to sum it up, think of it this way. Abstruse means difficult to understand because of the complexity, and unfathomable means almost impossible to grasp because something is so deep or mysterious. I hope this clears the confusion.